This is George with On Point Contractors. You can see here we're prepping the lawn with flags. We've tilled, we've done the edges, marked all the sprinklers with flags, and we're ready to roll. Soil looks good.
We're here laying sod in the rain. Gonna be doing some of this St. Augustine palmetto in the back. We got this Zoysia putting right here in the front. Nice grass. So we got that side over there going. Got the crew going. It's a little cold, but.
So the guys are gonna start laying the grass. It said a lot of the hard work's been done on the soil. Soil's been tilled up like 2 or 3 times. And the rain and the leaves are kind of on it. There's a little bit of grass, but put your hand in there. It's a good 3 inches of good sod or soil that's been tilled. A lot of adds oxygen to the soil, and it didn't rain too bad, so we're able to finish this job in 2 days, even though it rained. And like I said, you can see some leaves. The leaves are okay; they'll turn into food for the grass, and you don't have to worry about cold. We actually lay sod all year long. And you see the flags. We'll end up cutting around those flags for the sprinklers. Sod's not an easy job. It's one pallet weighs 2,000 pounds, and it takes a lot of man work to get this job done. So we've been doing it for a long time, 20 years. So let us know if you need some new sod. This one's Zoysia in the front and St. Augustine in the back. Give us a call.